Right, so this is the problem that I've got. With the tailgate down and with the top pushed back, I can reach in, not a problem, but I can't reach all the way to the back without climbing in, and I don't want to climb in. What I want to do is to be able to put things into the back of the pickup and not have to root around or see them flying to the back as I'm braking. So this is what I've got. Cargo net, which is this, and it comes with these bits and pieces. So it comes with 4 of these. There you go. And that can link through a strap or something. And it comes with 4 of these. Now you've got a self-adhesive pad, and you can follow that up with a screw if you so wish. And basically what happens with those is, if you want to, you would adhere it to the side like that, and then screw it in just to make sure it was held home. Fortunately in this instance I think I can get away without actually using any of those, but they're there if you want to do. So let's just have a better look at this. So cargo net, in fact, bring this over here and I'll show you. So there's the cargo net there. You've got 2 loops at the top and you've got 2 loops at the bottom. I'll do it the other way. 2 loops at the top and 2 loops at the bottom. And you can access it from the top there. Now, what you're going to see is me, hopefully, fitting this without having to screw anything. So, you see that I've got a hook there. So I'm just going to pop that on. Get this, pop that onto there. That's the top, and then the bottom, I'm going to get that, get another one of these, pop that on there, and then attach it to this at the bottom. Just show you that there. So I've attached it to that, and up at the top I've attached it to that. Right, now let's just do the same for this other side. I've already put one on the top. Let's bring it across. That I'll use this existing thing there, and then I just need one more for the bottom. Put that on there, like so. Get that, bring it across, pop that onto there. Right, and now what you'll see is I have a cargo net across the back. To give you an idea of the size of that, let's just measure across. So from one side of the truck to the other, it's roughly 140 centimetres. In feet, that is nearly 4.5 feet. So that's how wide it'll stretch. And let's see it in operation. So what I'm going to do, bring that to there. And what you would do is just simply reach in, open it up, and put whatever you want in there. You see? Just open that up so you can see it. So if I didn't want something to slide down to the other end of the truck. Right, so let's say I've just done some shopping. I'll come along, pop that in. Maybe a nice bottle of rum. That laid down there. Get that, pop that in there. Make sure that's connected properly. Which it wasn't. There we go. Right, and now that isn't going to go anywhere. It's not going to go down to the back of the truck. It's just going to stay there. So when I get back home and I open it, it's all going to be there exactly how I put it in, and I've no need to root around and climb in and get it from the back. So for what I've paid for that, that is going to save me so much work. And if I want to put anything in, it's just a case of unhooking one side and then it'll just concertina across, and I've got the whole of the back for myself again. So that is fantastic.